Welcome to the EdbMails OneDrive Backup, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails OneDrive Backup Tool lets you securely and effortlessly backup OneDrive data, including files, folders, lists, and document libraries, from Microsoft 365 to a local drive. It supports backing up data from multiple users concurrently while preserving the original folder hierarchy. With incremental backup capabilities, only new or modified items are captured in subsequent operations, saving both time and storage. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to back up OneDrive data using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Backup SharePoint Sites, OneDrive Teams. Select SharePoint OneDrive Backup. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Browse. Select the location to save the backup data. Click Next to continue. Enter the source SharePoint server details. Then click Grant Required Permissions. Select the required options. Then click here to grant admin access automatically. Enter the admin account password.
Click Sign In.
Authenticate on Microsoft Sign In page with Global Admin Account.
Click Sign In.
Select the required sites.
Click Continue.
Select the required users.
Click Continue.
Again, you need to authenticate on Microsoft Sign In page with Global Admin Account.
Click Sign In.
Admin access being granted to the selected OneDrive site. Admin access confirmed. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Select the required option to load the site. Click Next to continue. Expand the OneDrive site. Select the required OneDrive sites for backup. Click Next to continue. Click Start Backup. Backup operation under progress. Backup operation completed. Click View Logs button to get operation report. That's it. For a hassle-free OneDrive backup, visit edbmails.com today.